To manifest wealth, I put into action the required wisdom. Welcome back to Grow Rich, Grow Happy, everyone. That place where we follow the breadcrumbs to wealth. Today's video, guys, this is preparation. We are now at the preparation stage, and everyone knows that tomorrow is the presidential election day. With that being said, I want you guys, especially my beginners out there, to understand. And you probably understand by now if you've been a long time subscriber of the channel, but you really need to understand how major events like this can have a negative or positive effect on cryptocurrency and just the financial institutions around the United States. It will affect stocks and everything, but we're talking about cryptocurrency as this is the future of crypto. And without sounding overly dramatic, it kind of hangs in the balance of this election that's coming up. So that's what we're going to be talking about, guys. We're going to talk about actually two things. We're going to be talking about what could happen if either candidate, possible scenarios of either candidate winning. We're going to talk about is the bull run coming and the sell the news phenomenon. That's what we're going to be talking about in this video. It's not going to be very long, but it is. I wanted to get you guys in the in the mind frame of what to expect. Hopefully by now you guys have been buying your crypto at these discounts, these insane discounts that we've had over the year, because this is what it's about. This is what it comes down to, and this is where you're going to make your money. It's just historically proven, especially when it comes to the bull run in every 4-year cycle. This presidency right here, though, is going to have an even bigger impact on the crypto market as a whole. So, guys, if this is kind of things you like, these are kind of things I talk about daily, as well as that mental. And this is it's all mental. You can't talk about cryptocurrency, at least on my channel, and not talk about the mental aspect of things, because that's really the mental aspect. You can pick all the great coins, but if you don't know what to do and how to control your emotions, you're not going to make the money. You're not going to make the money. So that's what we're talking about today, guys. If this is your first time here to the channel, I ask that you subscribe or just keep hanging out. Smash that like button, though. It does wonders, guys. We get a lot of people here. Just smash that like button for me. And check out the deals I have down below on cold storage wallets. And right now, guys, I'm telling you, cold storage wallets, get you one. Get you a Tangent or any other wallet, but I just think that Tangent is the best. It is one that I use to hold Casper and many of my other tokens like Spectre AI, everything. So make sure you get one. I had a 10% discount down below, guys. Take advantage and check out the merch store as well. Without further ado, let's jump over here and let's talk. All right, guys. This article came out, and it says, how will the U.S. election 2024 results impact the crypto market? And I think this is extremely important. We are right here, guys, just a day away. Okay, as of 2024, the U.S. presidential election draws near, and the crypto market is on edge. The Bitcoin and other major coins experiencing volatility. Meanwhile, prediction markets show a close race between Vice President Kamala Harris and former President Donald Trump. And many crypto analysts expect the election's outcome to have a direct impact on the digital asset prices. Now, if Trump wins, they're saying, and I'm going to read this. It says a Trump win could trigger a market rally, and that's what everyone is looking for. I mean, if you're in crypto, you want the best possible scenario for crypto to take place, guys. Prominent crypto trader Emperor recently shared his views on how election results could impact the crypto market, and I did as well, guys. We've talked about it here week after week. He predicts that if Trump wins, there may be an initial market rally driven by Trump's pro-crypto stance and his promise to clarify regulations for digital assets. And it's not a mystery that Trump has gotten on board with crypto, and a lot of people say he's just doing it to win the election. Whether that's here or now, at least he's doing it. At least he's saying it. But I look at people like Larry Fink from BlackRock and different things who once wasn't even going for crypto. They thought crypto was a scam. At least they made it apparent to everyone that was listening that they did not trust Bitcoin. They did not trust any crypto. But Larry Fink came around, and now BlackRock holds an exorbitant amount of cryptocurrency, so people can change. I know people as well in my own life who said crypto was a scam, but they have crypto wallets now. So that's my answer to that. Let's continue. This assurance could boost market confidence. I believe it really would. I believe it would send Bitcoin to 100,000. I don't believe it would happen right away, but I do believe it would. The chances of Bitcoin reaching 100,000 or damn close before the end of the year would be paramount. Okay, so they say it could boost market confidence, especially for Bitcoin, which often reacts strongly to changes in U.S. policy. Then it says here, recent data shows that Trump's odds of winning have slipped to 57.1% on Polymarket, a prediction market down from 60%. In contrast, Harris's chances has risen to 42.9%, reflecting a shift in momentum. And whether you want to believe that or not, that's up to you. I'm only reporting the information that I have at hand. All I'm saying is I want a scenario where cryptocurrency has a chance to, in the US, has a chance to not only blossom, but to match some of the intensity and some of the belief that all of these other outlying countries have for cryptocurrency. US is just behind the times, and we could really use some friendlier crypto policies and regulations on what we're going to do in the U.S. going forward, as far as people who believe in crypto, who invest in crypto. And I know that it's a big population. Actually, it's so big that even the Trump would say Bitcoin for life. So there you have it. And let me see. Okay, now the sell the news phenomena, because we also often talk here, especially for my beginners, we often talk about sell the news. It's where uh, you buy the rumor, sell the news. So right now, I guarantee a lot of whales, myself even, everyone has been buying crypto like crazy in anticipation of this U.S. election. And what you can have is a scenario where, as soon as election day get here and the polls come out, people just start selling. Especially if Trump was to win, people will start, to sell because they want to take their profits right away. I don't believe in that so much as far as with my entire crypto bag. There are going to be people taking profits though, but this is one of those things that's going to have a ripple effect through the crypto market. So if you're somebody out there buying the rumor and selling the news, it might actually cost you. Okay, they also say, however, Emperor also cautions that a wave of profit taking could follow a Trump's victory. Many retail traders might sell the asset as soon as the initial rally, leading to a sell the news dip. And that's just how it is. It's with crypto, it's with anything really. These are people are like scalpers. This could trigger a temporary price drop as traders react to the news. And that's why I say you wouldn't see things happen right away. According to Emperor, the phase might be followed by a period of quiet as retail investors decline and the market stabilizes. Now, for the all important part of this video, is the bull run coming? Guys, here we go. And then I'll wrap it up with my thoughts. Is the initial dips and quiet phase, after the initial dip and quiet phase, Emperor suggests that the crypto market may shift toward accumulation. I think they've already been accumulating. At least the Grow Rich, Grow Happy community, we've been accumulating for a very long time. Where long-term investors began to buy up assets at lower prices. And yes, you're going to see that as well because the bull run is like right there. If Trump follows through on his crypto-friendly policies, this could lead to a substantial bull run as the regulatory outlook becomes clear. Let's just give a scenario. Trump wins And he continues to talk the Bitcoin talk and crypto as being the best thing out there that people can invest in. You're going to see Bitcoin explode. You're going to not only see 100,000, it's going to push way past that, maybe 150,000, maybe 200,000, guys. I'm not a moon boy. I'm just telling you what's going to happen, how big and major this next day is going to be for cryptocurrency. Okay. Um, they say that if Trump follows through, yep, and on his crypto regulation policies, this could lead to a substantial bull run. Okay, experts support this view, pointing out that regulatory certainty could attract more institutional and retail investment in the coming years. Meanwhile, a significant 38 million bet was recently placed on Trump's victory, indicating strong confidence in his potential win and its positive implications for crypto. A Trump presidency could strengthen sentiment among pro crypto investors and drive demand for digital assets. And I'm going to ask this question too, do you think a Trump presidency would truly benefit the crypto market? We'd love to hear your opinions. Well, I would love to hear your opinions, guys, but what I want to say is not only do I believe that, you got to look at Larry Fink, BlackRock, and all of these guys. You got to look at the Bitcoin ETFs to really understand what's going on here. The whales and the big money has already sided with cryptocurrency. They've sided with these ETFs, whether you got Bitcoin, Ethereum, XRP, yes, it's coming, ETF. They've talked about Solana. So it's already set in stone where the major money in these blockbuster companies have their money at, and where they stand when it comes to cryptocurrency. All we need now is for a presidency to come in and say, okay, here's what we're going to do with Bitcoin. Here's what we're going to do with cryptocurrency. Here is my plan for regulatory policy going forward. And you're going to see the biggest, guys, you're going to see the biggest bull run that you've ever seen. And the only regret that will be out there is for people who did not get in cryptocurrency when they should have, and just watch everybody else benefit from it. Now, on the flip side, a Kamala Harris victory, it will tank the market for a while, for a little bit. But I think ultimately, we're going to see still a great bull run, because she's not going to be able to escape the talking about cryptocurrency policy, whether it's negative or what. She's going to have to say something about cryptocurrency and its regulatory policy stance. She's going to have to say something. But you guys, you let me know down below, what do you think? What do you think will happen if President Trump should win the election? What do you think is going to happen with crypto markets? And what do you think, and likewise, vice versa, what do you think is going to happen if Kamala Harris was to win? Guys, sound off down below. Let me know. This is your boy, Mr. Foresight, signing out. I'm out.